Hello, it's your Mama Mo here. In this Christmas series, we're going to discover some Filipino Christmas treats. Today, we're going to make bibingka. Star-shaped bibingka remind me of Christmas lanterns, Christmas lights, and simbang gabi. I adapted this recipe from Panlasang Pinoy. You can check the description down below for the complete ingredients. I was able to make this recipe using a hand mixer or by just using a hand whisk. The results were similar. So no worries, you can make this recipe easily. I'm already beginning to feel the Christmas spirit just by making this bibingka. In the Philippines, we have a tradition of going to church at the crack of dawn. From December 16th to the 24th, we wake up really early and go to Mass. Right outside the church, there are vendors selling bibingka and other delicacies. Banana leaves may be hard to come by if you are not back in the Philippines. You can check out some Asian stores that sell frozen packs of banana leaves. Check out my video on how to prepare your banana leaves properly. My star-shaped pans are actually tortilla pans. You can also use cake pans or aluminum tins from your dollar store. I tried doubling the recipe and the results still came out good. Thank you for joining me in this Christmas series, and make sure to watch the next one. Do you have your own fond memories of Christmas or a Christmas tradition in your country? Comment down below and let me know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't have the time or mood to make this for yourself, just look for your local Filipino bakers. Finally, our bibingka is ready. Now let's give it a taste. This is just the perfect combination of sweet and salty. Yummy! Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas!